What is going on, YouTube fam? This is the 26th episode of my daily vlogs. You guys are new to the channel, go check out everything else. But guys, today I wanted to talk about crypto and what's going on with the markets. Overall, everything after the Bitcoin halving kind of, everything was kind of shifting up. Everyone was getting all super hyped, and all of a sudden everyone just started, just talking crap, and everything is just trading sideways. All the influencers are talking about how right now in the market and everything, going down is because people are just, overall wusses and and they just are selling their bags because they don't have the commitment that they need. Overall, I just see this as a big opportunity. I honestly wanted as much time as I could get to keep on funneling money into these coins because, a lot of them are going to do possibly, 10, 20, all the way up to like 40, 50, 100 X's possibly. We just don't know, especially with the AI coins. And with me right now, just, going around in the space, with my job too, trying to look into a promotion to make more money, there's a whole bunch of shit going on. And a lot of people, they're so distraught by what people are doing and how people are selling that they just are taking their eye away from the prize. Right now, guys, is the biggest opportunity. When everyone is not looking at the markets, that's whenever you want to start looking at the markets. Usually by the time everyone starts looking and everyone starts joining on, it's already too late, and by the time that happens, you can only make so much money, or worse, your exit liquidity. So right now is like a big opportunity to just start stacking on money. When the election comes and all these different things start to come out, just for the new year, and if you're not exposed to these coins, you're gonna miss out on a lot of different potential. A lot of different people are talking about, oh yeah, I'll invest here or I'll invest at this different time, and we just don't know when everything is gonna pop off. Usually, it's pretty much between that like 6 month to a year process where Bitcoin slowly goes and just has its huge explosive take, and then from there altcoins follow again like a month to 2 months after. So everyone's saying like, give it about a 6 months to a year. I honestly have no idea how long it's gonna take, but right now it's just the opportunity to keep getting bigger positions, and the more positions you have, the more money you're gonna make. The only thing is, whenever you're putting this money in, you got to be willing to just sit on it and not look at it and not think about it. I look at my portfolio daily. I just don't care when it's going down because I have high commitment. I understand pretty much what's going on. The businesses that I'm invested in, I follow, so I can see exactly what they're doing and how the community feels around them. And overall, if you just know how the sentiment is and the narratives that you're chasing, you can do very, very well. And I'm just a beginner, guys. This is not financial advice. I just see this as such a big opportunity because whenever I was getting in, at the beginning of last year, as well as, a little bit earlier this year, I was like, man, I think I'm already too late. There's a lot of opportunity that I missed out on, when in reality, it's pretty much just setting up. We pretty much, have the Bitcoin halving and everyone's hoping everything can just go up, but everything's trading sideways, and it's pretty much getting out all the paper hands, all the people that just, don't have the commitment to stay in the market. But once all that is flustered out and Bitcoin starts to have its retracement and everything starts to go, it only takes a little bit of something for everything to just go explosive, because these coins, they drop 20 to 40 to 60%, but that's whenever they go and freaking pump up and do 10x's, 20x's, 30x's. So right now, guys, I'm just putting in more on my positions. Overall, I'll keep showing you guys how much I have in my portfolio and then pretty much where we're trying to go. Overall, I have some high expectations, and you shouldn't have high expectations with your portfolio. I just have price points set, and I actually think I can make some decent money with this. So overall, I'm just putting more money in and hoping I still have more time to just keep putting more in. The more money you have, the more money you can make. Someone putting $100 in and someone putting $1,000 in are two different scenarios, and at the end of the day, you shouldn't be playing with what you don't have. You should only be playing with what you have. But some of us are very, very big risk takers, and we're willing to risk it for the biscuit. So right now, guys, just juicing up on my current positions. I'm honestly very happy with the coins that I'm currently invested in. I'm not trying to jump into any more, just because whenever you're a beginner, you should really focus on a set amount of coins and don't get anything more than that, because your mind is not going to be able to keep up with all the different investments that you're jumping into. But as always, guys, not financial advice. I just love sharing my perspective as well as what I see going on in the markets, just so as a beginner, I can share my process and development throughout this whole thing, as well as teach you how you can do it as well. But yeah, guys, I'm pretty much at work right now. I got to get back to my job. I got tuna. I eat tuna all week because I'm on a cut. If you guys are new to the channel, go check out everything else. But I'm on a cut because I'm trying to get my summer bod in place. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and eat my tuna. Whenever we get out though, I want to talk a little bit about you know, what everyone's talking about, the price points that these coins can hit that I'm invested in, and pretty much why I have, you know, somewhat high expectations. I think a lot of these coins can make dramatic generational wealth as long as you have a decent amount invested. But at the end of the day, that's why I said, more money you have, the more money you're gonna make. All right, guys, tuna time. I'll catch y'all when we get out. So guys, we are back at the Casa. I am in my robe. I got this nice robe. My team lead got it for me because I won a raffle at work. But yeah, besides the point, if you watch this, I appreciate it. Yeah, guys, so crypto markets overall can do some crazy stuff. I am in multiple different AI coins that, you know, there's no price predictions because they're so brand new. I've said this multiple different times. I'm pretty sure a few of y'all that have been watching my videos are kind of tired of me saying this, but we honestly don't know what can happen with a few of these AI coins. But with that being said, we have a few comparisons. So for Pepe, you know, Pepe did some crazy stuff. I'm in Brett, which is a meme coin. That coin, you know, I'm hoping can do, you know, at least a 20 to 30x. We won't know though. It's just a meme coin. But as far as the AI coins, guys, right now, Hash AI, out of all my coins, is one of the most active communities on Twitter and pretty much has a lot of influencers talking about them as well. It's just pretty much what they're bringing to the space. Overall, right now, that coin and the market cap can see a 20 to 40x based off of pretty much what a few different people are saying in the space. I've been doing some crazy calculations because of how much shares I have on it, guys. If it just goes to 50 cents, you know, I can make $250,000. You know, it's crazy, possibly even more, because, you know, honestly, I got to relook at how much I have. But and that's that I'm still adding to my position. So right now, guys, if you're not really into crypto, or you're pretty much, you know, hesitant about getting in, you should really learn, you know, the basics so you understand what you're doing, because you don't want to be exit liquidity for someone that does know what they're doing. But there's so much opportunity in the space. I want to get together maybe like 10 good coins for you guys. If you guys have any questions, suggestions, or anything that you guys want to see or talk about, you know, drop it down below so I can pretty much get on it. I honestly am a beginner and just, you know, I'm navigating the space and seeing everything that's going on. My Pet Hooligan, which is a dope NFT community as well as a gaming community in Web3, they honestly do some crazy stuff. Their coin just dropped today. It's pretty crazy, guys. The space is doing some cool stuff. I want to talk more about it, but I'm gonna go ahead and wrap up the video right here. If you guys have any questions, suggestions, anything else, or just want to drop something, say something, do it. I want to hear it. But other than that, guys, stay tuned for tomorrow's episode, and I'll see you then. Peace.